Guys, I just wanted to come on here really quick and tell you about a course that I have never done in person where anybody could come. I've done this course before for school districts that have requested it, and I've done this with many school districts, but I have never had this particular course in Plano where you could just come and anybody could sign up. So this is going to be May 5th. And you can either sign up for the morning or the afternoon session. And what you're going to learn if you come to this is for kinder through second grade teachers, SPED teachers, reading interventionists, specialists, anybody who's interested in really helping K through 2 to prepare them for what might be coming in third grade. So the idea behind that is to scaffold and set systems in place so that those second graders are able to do SCRs, short constructed responses. They have to be able to do those before they get into third grade. Also coming out with a brand new editing and revising workbook. This one is third grade, but it's going to be specifically for second graders. So I'm really excited about this. I got this idea from a teacher. Teachers always have the best ideas. And she said, please, can you come out with a second grade editing and revising? It's going to be very simple. It's going to have one TEK that they're going to focus on. For example, capitalization. All the questions, whether it's 4 or 5 questions, will be just on capitalization. The next TEK might be just on compound predicates. So it's going to be very specific editing and revising, and it's going to match TEKS resource system. It is going to be aligned with the TEKS. All the passages are going to be social studies and science passages, just like third grade, all the way up to English 2. But when you get into third grade, you're going to notice the TEKS are more spiraled. So the questions are going to involve capitalization and spelling and this and that. Whereas second grade is going to just focus on one TEK at a time. So if you come to this workshop, you are going to be the first ones to get some of these sample pages from the workbook. I'm going to be giving you 4 or 5 of the first sets that are going to go into that workbook. I'm going to be giving you those for free just by coming to the workshop. These will not be out for the rest of the world to purchase until this summer. So if you come to the May 5th workshop, you will actually get some of the pages that are in this book ahead of everybody else to try out with your second graders. And you can also use them for next year. You're also going to be getting all the digital resources that I have for K2. So sign up and I hope to see you there.